hiding from the reflection from above. And we're gonna cut out. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out and show finished result, because I don't think anybody is interested in watching me cut out the film, because we have this weird little thing here. It's like, why Mercedes put it in? Max, can you turn the light deeper in? Yeah, like this. See this nonsense? Absolutely nonsense. Anyway, let's cut it out to shape and I'll show you how it looks. So here we have it. We cut out shape. It's a weird ass shape basically. And I'm gonna double shrink it just in case it's gonna start lifting on me at the bottom, and which I don't really want to deal with basically today. We have enough nonsense with cleaning the glue already with this car. So I'm gonna lift it slightly up like this. I'm gonna tag down the edges. I'm gonna try to over shrink this. So we don't get any lifting. There you go. Here as well, we can do similar thing. Lift it a little bit, drag it down, over shrink it. This helps you to not deal with the bubbles from, like the fingers from the bottom, because it has more tension, it will not lift. Kind of force a few fingers, as you can see. Boom. So this shouldn't lift now. At the bottom, should not lift. And we can do same thing at the top. Top is easier. You don't really need to just shrink the what's popping up. There you go. Happy days. Lovely. Alright, so we're gonna spray down our board. Where we're gonna put, you can do from the car, you can lift it up from the car, you know, it's not a big deal. I just prefer this way because, well, I have the board, right? So car is coming out very dirty here, like from a desert. But anyway, look, there you go. There, what we have. Just I'll spray it down a little bit because it's so hot, it dries up, then it wants to fall off. See, like even here right now it wants to fall off. Well, anyway, is what it is. Spray down, spray down, spray down. Okay, tag it down. Doesn't wanna stay, doesn't wanna stay. I hope it's not gonna fall off. So guys, have to clean it well, the glass, because we need to see if there's any glue left from the previous film that we removed, because most of the time if you remove the old film, it's almost near to impossible to get it perfect. You're always gonna miss out. It's like a little see-through thing, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be, I can see some glue here left. Well, it's just maybe paper towel, but anyway, have to go look over close. It's gonna be a nightmare to fit this in, but we'll try. All right, let's do that. So we are in the dark cleaning off this back window. So we covered speakers and try to get the best clean as we can with this. It's not an easy way to get in, as I said previously. Right now we're I'm tinting now just to teach everyone, so I'm not a fan anymore of doing these cars. So I think I'm gonna just avoid booking them in, because it's nothing really special and it's hard to show anything because it's darker, you know, it's like you're in the back of the car, you know, hard to show anything, hard to even teach. So that's why I'm thinking of not doing any more of these type of cars. So now, where is it? Literally in front of me. Very uncomfortable and basically annoying to tint. So yeah, hatchbacks is the best, guys. Just go over again. Not the comfiest place to be. As you can see, just going over and forever over. that's the key basically. So yeah, so for now, I don't think I have enough water to finish off this car. So I'm just gonna let it run down while I make a new batch of Baby Johnson and water mix. So we have the film. I'm gonna slide it on there. Need a good bit of water if it's hot, like with us here right now. It's insanely hot. And let's get this one on the back of this window. Hold the edge a little bit, doesn't fall. Oh, good. Hold the edge, very uncomfortable. Hold the edge. It got stuck to my hands. Nice. You can lay it down, guys, if it gets stuck to your hands. Sometimes it does if you spray your hands or your very sweaty hands and sweat running down your hands, and basically the film just gets stuck to you. Okay. Hold this in the middle for me, please. So if you have help, it's really great because then you can go under. You can do rollbacks, but rollbacks for some reason, when it's hot, I don't know why, it's not really doing well with me. Back in the day, when it was colder weather in different country, I used to have no issues with rollbacks. Now it's hot and I don't know, it's just not great. Okay, we're getting there, almost there. Let's push till the water doesn't dry up. To the left, to the right. Now we have to find out where the hell are we at this point. Look, Max. So guys, if you have help, like especially for this one at the bottom, can you see red? Do I need to move it to the left, to the right? Down? Can you see how much down? Okay. Now check. Where is the Lego?
Okay.
Can you not see anything?
No, at the bottom there it's fine. You even have a bit of extra to come back up if needed up here.
Yeah, I would like that.
But
double check. Let's just see.
See here.
No,
it's fine. It's fine.
Double check. No. All good. All good. hope anybody can see this. It's really, as I say, I don't think for teaching I'm gonna take on any more sedans, because it's just useless, to be honest. I really want to double check myself this area here at the bottom. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, that's good. Good to know. All right. See, it's a big mess. Imagine when you have to peel off. I'm exhausted, to be honest, guys. You have to peel off. Sorry, where's my water? I lost my water. We had to remove the glue, right? So that doesn't help either, you know. And then on top, you need to get it in the right position. I would say, if you're doing first time, I wouldn't go for what's called for sedans. Okay, we're gonna take this one out. I'm gonna start squeeging left to right. To the right, take down the top. Just double check, no white gaps, nothing. Imagine you get a white gap as you're doing this. That would be painful. Whew, it's hot, I need some fresh air here. Guys, if you tint in the 30 degrees Celsius like I am right now, it's nightmare, guys, nightmare. So enjoy. If you're too cold to tint, enjoy that. Alright, so get all that water down as much as we can. There's a gigantic air pocket. I don't like it when it's so big. Push it down as much as we can. Afterwards, go over with this squeegee. How much you can reach, I don't know. As you can see, if you're doing first time, you will be so annoyed. I'm annoyed by doing so many years. They should make all the cars hatchbacks. It would be easier life. Max, can you check if I squeegee it out the water? Did I squeegee out the bottom of the glass? You won't be able to get this done without this tool or the bulldozer, but bulldozer can peel the film backwards. You need these long ass tools. But you won't be able to do. You can do with a bulldozer, but you're gonna mess up multiple times. So just get this long ass side squeegee. I don't know how you call it. Never got involved in knowing the names of all the tools. But anyway, squeegee this one out. Get the water out. Ah, yes. There you go. And I'll show you guys. I'm just gonna go over multiple times with a squeegee just to get all the water pockets out, you know, all the fingers, and I'm gonna get back and show you the final result. Okay. So here we have it. Nicely tinted back window and the sides.